Well, hello, it's Bears back. I got a lock for you today um, from Micro RC Fiend number 5. There's no key for it, and if you look right here, you'll see that it widens out in that key, the top of the keyway. Widens out, so it wants to keep dropping the tension wrench out of it. I have picked it before because I wanted to try to see if I could use the top of the keyway, and we'll see if I can pick it again without dropping the tension wrench 100 times like I did before. So we'll go ahead and give it a whirl. It can be a real pain fighting the tension wrench as you're picking. I'm telling you, it is. Because you want to, when you're pushing, it wants to go down. So let's see what we can do. Let me do a little bottom of the keyway thingy here. I think this should work. Maybe not. Oh, come on, little booger, get in the right way. There you go. I think we got her in there now. It's not perfect, but it'll do. Okay. Got a little click there in the back. I think 5. Coming up. Oh, that's pretty stiff. Coming forward. Man, I'm not feeling anything right now. Okay, I got a little bit on, I think that was 1 or 2. Dang. Got one that's in there like solid. See? That's what I lost it all. See, that's what I'm talking about. It can be a real pain in the behind. Okay, I got a little movement on 5 again. But then I seem to be doing nothing. Oh, almost lost that tension wrench again. You lighten up on that tension just a little bit and that wrench wants to fall out. So this bottom thing may be killing me here. It's not letting me get to the pins. Oh, now I just went to a default set, which is great. Oh. Uh-oh. I don't want to lose that tension wrench with that false set. See if I can find the pin. It's geez, I'm not feeling it. Is it really high, or let me try another pick. Yeah, oh, it's right there. It was number 1. It was just in the way right there. Okay. All right. And I just wasn't getting it. Oh, Fun City. These are always a blast. I would like to make a key for this one, but I don't have a key blank for this keyway. Oh man, that just blew apart. I need to get some more of those things so they don't tear them up. I can replace them if I tear them up. Okay. Well, I think we can do this. This one's a real short one, so I think we'll just be fine doing this like a regular you don't. Wow, that's tight, man. I can't. You know what, I'm not gonna mess with that. I'm gonna go get this over here anyway. You sit there. You want to be a pain? It wants to be a pain. I can be a pain too. Okay, I can go painful. Oh, get in there. I didn't say pull out. There. It's trying to fall out of that thing. That's the... Okay. Oh, now you don't want to move? What? Get in there. Get on the... You stay in there. Doggone. Wow, that's kind of a tough system there. All our pins are there. Don't you go nowhere. You bugger. Okay, number 1, 2. I'm going to do it this way, because I mess it up if I don't. Like throwing the dice at Vegas, which I wouldn't do. Not if I wanted to keep my money. Okay, these I gotta look at them real close, guys. I'm a blind old boy. Well, it looks like we got standard in 1. Looks like maybe some undercutting in 2. Yep, undercutting in 2. Then you got threading in 3, 4, and 5. Alrighty. Now we shall see what we got. Oh man, this thing wants to fly out of this deal, so I gotta be real careful here with these pins. All right, there's pin 1. I want to go back after the springs afterwards, because it's pin 2. If all the springs stay down, I can use a different follower. Oh, that just shot out of there. I thought I had it open, but it was just hanging just enough to pop out. Well, we can see that goes in just like that, so yeah, there. That's the one we need. These are a lot of spools. And 5 there. And give me, hang on guys. Ugh. I want to get one in here that just slides like a bandit too, but it'll grip a little bit better, I think. See, it's still sliding though. You're trying, but there. That's spring 1. spring 2. They may all be the same. Come on. It's right there. Okay. Yeah, they look like they're all the same. They are. Yeah, they're all the same. So let's take a look. Where's my... I keep moving stuff around. I'm sorry, guys. Doesn't look like anything's been done up here. So get the light on it. Ah, that's it. Throw it away. Oh. Anyway, let's take a look at these bad boys. Sorry, I get close to the mic and I still talk loud. That's sorry. This Micro RC Fiend number 5, and these are your pins, guys and gals and everybody else. And so you got standard, and then kind of a trap pin with a, and then all your tops are kind of spooled down. So that's reduced diameter with a couple of little slices in it. So yeah, that's what we got for this one, guys. By the way, if you haven't gone and entered my giveaway, you need to go over there and do it. That's the video 242, I believe. Enter soon, or it'll be all gone. So yeah, thanks for watching, everybody, and stay legal and have fun. Bye.